good thing he's in jail. I'd be kicking his butt.
First number would be 1. Four. Yeah, this number is 4. This is 5. Yeah, that's 5. This one. Three. This one's 3 as well. And this last number is 2. That's 2. All right, so I just cut this key. Now we're gonna make sure that it works. After I decoded the lock. Yep. Locked. Unlocked. Perfect. All right, we're now programming the key for, it's 05, right, ma'am?
05.
Okay. 05 Mustang. Let's see.
Hey, this is just so unnecessary, all this damage. Good God. I'm not kidding. I'm so disappointed in my son. But he's sitting right where he belongs for it, I guess. I have 2 sons, and one couldn't be more opposite than the other.
Okay, it's loading.
One thinks he's bad, so.
Add key, start.
Watch that.
Learning successful. Do you want to learn the next one? No. All right, let's see if this bad boy fire up.
It probably won't. Man.
Wow, the battery's that low.
Is it?
Yeah. Click, click. Yep.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to let it sit. Probably want to let it sit probably